Hi friends, and we are so happy that you are here with us. Right now we will show you how to ask a question on Instagram story, so if this topic is interesting, let's go to the watching. And the first and foremost, I need to open our Insta. Right now we are on the profile page, so let's go to the stories mode creation. After going to the home page, I just need to swipe it to the right side to enable the stories creation. You can also tap on the shooter button to create a new image, to make a new video as an example, but I want to go to the gallery app after clicking on the icon at the bottom of the screen and use some picture from it. I will stay on this one with cat. Okay, it's a cute cat. Later, to enable this ask mode, ask sticker, we just need to go to the stickers section here, which is located at the top of the screen and is the second icon. Okay, later we need to find the and ask a question option. As you can see here, we have a special sticker questions. Let's pick on it one time, and later we can add some question at the top of the period bar, and later our followers, our friends can answer using the special bar below. Let's add some question. I will paste it here. How was your day as an example. Don't forget that you can also find a cool color you want to save for the period bar, for the period panel, and locate it on the needful place on the story. As an example, I will go up, and using the period lines I can create the straight and very nice customized story. Let's pick on the arrow here to post it and share. Done. And let's refresh our stories, our homepage. So let's check it after clicking on the stories here, and this is our new story. Of course, you can add some answers as an example, but it's your own. So I had created some ask before this one, before the stories, before this video. It is this story, and I had answer on my own question from another account to show you how these answers will look like. So as an example, I just need to tap on the activity icon at the bottom to check all of the answers here. As an example, our friend me from another account answered "so cool," and after clicking on the reply below, I can add this answer to my new story, to post it and share it with another friends, or just go to the direct to add some answer in the message, like, I don't know, thanks. I will send it to myself, definitely, because it's my second account, as I said before. So it's very, very convenient, and this is my answer. As you can check, I had added this answer before, and it's very convenient because you can also delete this answer after clicking on the delete, and it's very convenient because you can make a cool contact with your followers and create some interesting stories without any troubles. It's very simple. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because we will show you and share with you more cool tricks on Instagram and other social media. And have a nice day. Good luck.